It's Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of She Makes Club, and it's launch season and new planner season and all the things. So for all of July 2023, we are going to be going through a variety of different planners and how I utilize them and set them up and show you some really fun planner hauls, including this one from Erin Condren. So even though the box is a little bit damaged, I'm still really excited. There's usually really good packing, which you can see the bubble wrap is still in here. And oh, I love always seeing what's new and coming out. It's always so fun. So we're just going to dive right in, and we're going to look at all the fun things that came in this particular Erin Condren haul. This is a customized wildflower pen case, a Wildflowers customized tote bag. It says She Makes with Proverbs 31 on it. I got some customized planner stickers. I got several sheets, and it's really to lay out the different videos and content planning that I'm doing for the 2023-2024 year. So we'll be showing how we use those in a little bit. They're so pretty and fun. You can really customize them inside of erincondren.com. I'll leave links to everything. And these are 180 sticky notes, and they're in the Wildflowers. And I love this new particular orientation and layout of these sticky notes. So now they are kind of a portrait mode, if you wanna call it that, where it's more upright, and it will fit in a variety of planners better than what used to be, which was more of a landscape. So the tab was coming out the right side and it was a little bit longer. So in my smaller planners, it never quite worked as well. So I really love this new orientation and design and layout, like completely. I'm obsessed with these, and I use them all the time. So they're really great. This is the budget sticker book. So it's for budget planning, and I wanted to get them specifically for the monthly budget stickers. So there's a ton of different things in here for tracking your bills and your debt and your spending habits, doing like a no spending challenge. There's all kinds of stickers, but these are the ones that I really want to use at the end of every month for keeping track of things. But there's so many different types of stickers that you can utilize for your budgeting, whether you want to use a specific budget planner or you want to be just adding these to your life planner, or maybe it's your journal or just a notebook. There are so many different uses for these, and you can just see there's tons and tons of stickers in here, and they're bright and colorful. Very beautiful. Highly recommend. And then we're getting into the Wildflowers. All the new Wildflowers I'm obsessed with. And for the very first time ever, I am such a January through December girl. I like my calendars, my planners to be January through December, but for the very first time, I'm switching to truly utilizing this as an 18-month calendar. Let's take a look at the Wildflowers sticker book. They're gorgeous. This is by far my most favorite Erin Condren design planner layout ever. These flowers are gorgeous. They're so beautifully pastel. The flower designs themselves are amazing. I love the gold foils that they have in here, as well as the silver foil, but I am such a gold foil girl. I wear silver jewelry mostly, or white gold. But when it comes to my decor and my decorating, I love yellow gold. And so I love this in these planners. So there's so many different uses. We're going to get into how I use these stickers when we set up my vertical life planner. We're going to do a whole other video on that. So if you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure you hit subscribe and then hit that little bell so that you can get notifications all July when I post new videos for either the planner haul, planner setup, or Make It in Moments videos where I use my Cricut to do different things for my planners as well. So that's all coming. I just love this. The Wildflower is gorgeous. Now here is the two that I ordered. I ordered a notebook and I ordered the Wildflower vertical planner. And I'm actually going to switch the covers because, first of all, Erin Condren interchangeable covers are life. They're amazing. You never get bored of your covers, and it's so great to be able to do. I ordered this as the notebook as the Wildflower metallic cover, and I did it with the By Megan Elizabeth and Luke 747. But this is just the take note. But I love this new notebook style because it has those like almost goal setting boxes or project boxes, and then notebook pages on the opposite side. This is a really great new layout. I'm very excited to be able to use it and just be able to go through. So love their notebooks, love the quality of the paper, but this new layout is pretty phenomenal. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to utilize it yet, but I know I'm very excited to utilize it. So great coil, always, with the bindings and everything, but I do want this cover on my actual vertical life planner, and I'm going to be using that other beautiful watercolor Wildflowers on the notebook. But I got Connecting to Restore, which is the other website and YouTube channel that I am working on currently for the 2023 year. But this is the new life planner. It's beautiful. It is so beautiful. And we are using this as a true 18 months. So I am starting July 1st. Well, actually I started the end of June with this guy, but we'll get into that. So look how beautiful these pages are. The tabs, everything about this I love so much. The colors are gorgeous. I love the dashboard pages. So there's some of that wildflower border and background, and then really customizable areas. And then I also love that there is that theme color going all the way throughout, but it's still a pretty neutral design for the most part. So those who aren't really into the bright and colorfuls, this is a really, really great, beautiful, beautiful option. I just can't get over these dashboard pages. I absolutely love them. So because I love this so much, that's why I'm abandoning the In Bloom, which wasn't one of my favorite Erin Condren designs. I still love the flowers, but the colors in it and some of the actual design elements of it, it wasn't my favorite. I was utilizing it, and that was my planner for the early part of 2023. But that's why I'm literally going, hey, we're not going to do this full 12-month January to December thing. We're just going to move in here, do an 18-month calendar for this year because I love the design that much. I love the pages in the back. There's always the great notebook pages. So I do a lot of tracking of things throughout the year, like books that I want to read or educational courses that I want to take, goals, different kind of tracking. I always use this contact sheet at the back for tracking some QVC things, and it's a great place for that. And then there's a look ahead calendar as well, so you can jot in important dates or notes or whatever it would be for the next year. And then the sticker sheets in the back. And again, oh my word, they're gorgeous. There's gold foil on them, silver foil. All the birthdays, and even these little cakes this year. I love how they have the wildflowers in the birthday cakes, so you can mark different birthdays and things. And then the pocket in the very back is always very useful. I usually stick some stickers in there and business cards, and like I said, it's a very helpful thing. But I do want to switch out my covers and also have some fun setting these up with you guys. Switching out the covers is really simple. You're just going to gently kind of peel it off. It's really easy to be able to do. There's all kinds of different interchangeable covers and things that you can create with. It was just by accident that I ordered the notebook with the design I wanted on my planner, and then ordered the notebook with the planner. I just reversed it, and it's not a big deal because again, they are the same size, and you can see how easy the dashboard or the sticky note dashboard kind of just clips right into that coil, and then you just press it down onto the coil. It's very, very simple. So you can change them out throughout the year. I have friends that change them every month. I have several different designs and planners that I will change, not necessarily every month. That's a little bit much for me, but often. And then these are the other items that I got. So I just wanted to show you a little bit closer. The pencil case, I did get it with my bymeganelizabeth.com website on it. And then the other one is the She Makes, and it's all in that wildflowers design. So it's a nice big tote bag that they customize for you. It's pretty strong and sturdy. I don't know that I would load it up with everything that I normally carry in a day, but I really do like it. So I hope that you guys will subscribe, you'll like, you'll share, and stay tuned for the rest of the She Plans Her Life all through the month of July 2023. And I can't wait to see you with more. Enjoy the moments. Bye-bye.